like grid layout and set using set layout null. That means for placing any of the component over the screen, we have to first set the layout as null, and then the positioning of the component over the screen can be done with the help of set bound. We can place the various x component and y component of the component x axis and y axis of the component into this. Then the code for implementation of assignment is, first we have to import various packages like JButton, JLabel, JFrame, and then this is the class, and inside this there is a constructor for the class, and in this constructor we have initialized JFrame with the help of new keyword, and then set the layout as null, and then create the label, click on it. That is with the, and this label is a component that I can place over the screen with the help of this set bound. In this set bound, I here write the x-axis, y-axis, height, width of the component. Then this is the another component, that is button. We can also initialize with the help of new keyword and place the inside that button. I place the text as click to submit your data, and button set bounds. That means with the help of this function, this method, I write the x-axis. What is the x-axis, y-axis, height, width, and then add all this label and button inside the frame with the help of this, and this is the main function. With the help of main function, I am initializing this with the help of new keyword, and then this is the output of that code, and the various output of that code. And now I am running this code in Visual Studio. So here is the code, and in this I have created the instance of the null layout demo class that we have created, and by running this code I get the result as this. So click on it is the component that we have placed, and the axis is given with the help of set bound. In set bound method, we can place the axis, x-axis, y-axis, width and height also. So these both are the component which can be placed over it with the help of set bounds method. So various advantages of null layout are that it gives the full control of the of placing the component over the screen to the user only, and then it has no overhead of any layout managers like any other layout manager like grid layout, border layout, etc. And it is easy for beginner to place any of the component to any position where they want, and customizable design. That means any user can customize the design of the screen as they want, as per the user's requirement. Then various disadvantages of this layout is it is very difficult to maintain. That means for every component the user have to write the set bounds to set the size, set which axis on which point the component has to place. So it is for cross platform, that is when we use on laptop, when we use on phone, there is very much problem to place that component. And the second is very time consuming. That is for each component we have to write the set bounds to set the positioning and the size of the component, and no automatic layout adjustment like other grid layouts like grid layout, border layout. In this type of layout there is automatic positioning is maintained, and it is very much error prone